Have you ever seen an actual demon manifest on a person before? You're about to. Check this out.
We're going to push it. We're going to see how far we can push it. I was not kidding when I said, if you were going to get the job done, there were two better candidates. And furthermore, when that happens, and it will, it will, not only will we be insensitive, that'll be the least of your worries. But it's gonna be the biggest fucking celebration, the biggest, most beautiful celebration on planet Earth. On planet Earth right now. The entire planet is gonna celebrate when he takes the turn. Finally.
Did you notice when she referred to herself as we? Just like in the Bible, when the demon-possessed man came face to face with Jesus, said, "We are legion," or "We are many." Spiritual warfare is real. This is not a joke. And the people who have been laughing at Charlie Kirk, I believe, are demonically influenced. If you want to know more about having authority over demons, follow or subscribe now.